Hello again, Peter here. Have you heard of Pebble? What about the new Pebble Time 2? So quick overview from what I've read on Wikipedia, right? Pebble used to be its own watch company, then it was purchased by Fitbit, but Fitbit was purchased by Google, and either Fitbit or Google had an argument and they decided to just shelve the technology. But then you have this whole legal battle of the not limit of statutations, but copyright stuff, and that expired. Oh, non-compete laws, and then Pebble decided to make a new one, and this is the new Pebble Time 2. Oh, let's unbox it. Oh, that looks so pretty. Let me just slide that out like so. Nice packaging, simplistic, really small. And there it is. So this is the Pebble Time 2. It's kind of like a Kindle had a baby and it was a watch. Nice sensor. It's cold to the touch, so it's not all plasticky. I'm guessing if I just click that, ooh, then it launches. And you scan that QR code, then it downloads the app. This is the cute little charger that it comes on, or comes with. You put it on this and then it charges. And even, I actually really like this. The charger itself is branded, and this is the second one. I also have the blue and silver. This is the black and silver. Now, you're not going to want to connect a high-powered USB-C port or a really thick USB-C cable when you're charging this. You don't want to overpower it. Most of the time, you can use a 5-watt port, or when in doubt, use an older USB-A port and an older cable, and hopefully 5-watt. You don't want to push too much juice to a small battery like this. The setup's really easy. The watch faces are awesome. Does it track your sleep? Here's the gorgeous Pebble app. This is one of the Flipboard watch faces. I'll show you all these in another video. But here's the device. It connects. Great. It works with Android and Apple. If you sleep really well, it's going to say that you slept almost 8 hours with 4 hours of deep sleep. I'm not showing a sleep score, but here's all the steps. Here's the steps that I got yesterday. 12,000 and change, shows a graph. You can slide your finger over the graph and get the exact time. And then here's my heart rate, all tracked yesterday. So yesterday we have a heart rate of 119. Okay. See, and I would like resting and all that. So now we have regular average heart rate and resting after a night's sleep. So that's nice. Sleep tracking. There's all my steps today. And then your workouts, well, they're somewhere. Well, I guess that's why Pebble likes you to connect to either Apple Health or Health Connect on Android. I'm not seeing the walking workout that I tracked yesterday. It's not on the device. Or it might be on the device, but my wife's wearing it. But it does have battery info, which I think is really cool to nerd out about, and a bunch of other stuff. You can do screenshots, speak recognition. The watch is very customizable. Let's take a look at the band. Again, very minimalistic packaging. Oh, that's nice. Kind of a matte gray. So I'm going to go with the short band. My wrist size is 7 inches. So just your standard quick release, nothing too fancy. So you could get a lot of different bands that are going to fit this watch. It's low profile, and on Kickstarter, if you were really lucky, you picked one of these up for 150 bucks, and the battery life is a good week. So we'll take off the Fitbit Air. Ooh, that looks pretty good. So just a quick first, or day one unboxing day of the Pebble Time 2. So what do you think? Would you order one of these again? Were you a fan of Pebble watches back in the year? Wow, has it been 6, 7 years ago since they were around? That non-compete clause was pretty strict. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.